Alright, today we're going to teach you how to change the oil on a 2018 and below Honda CRF110. Step 1, warm up the engine. Now that the bike and the dog's warmed up, time to pull the plug. So step 1 of changing oil is you're going to find your kid's favorite play bucket. That'll be good for catching oil. Number 2, you're going to need a 17 millimeter socket.
And just one bolt.
So I'll show you what we're looking at here.
It's right underneath the engine. I'll loosen that next.
It's nice and dirty, so good thing we're cleaning it. Oh yeah, and pro tip, make sure you're doing this on the windy day so when you walk away it just spills all over the place. Makes the job more fun. And really I should set a better example. If you're working on women or cars, always wear a glove. So now we got all this cleaned up. We're gonna put the plug back in and fill her back up. It's actually that easy. But there is a screen on these things. There is no oil filter. So if you want to clean the screen, which I only do in the winter, we change twice in the summer. What we do is we pull this apart. This is just a 10 millimeter, and you spread this with a flathead. This will come right off the splines. And then you got 8 millimeter bolts that come right off here. Only reason I'm not doing it today, I don't have an extra gasket in there. And we want to go riding today, so that's it. And just in case the desk jockeys doesn't know what that looks like, this is snug, and then maybe not even a quarter, an eighth. There you go, that's it. Doesn't have to be super tight. You're gonna strip it out. It's aluminum. Next thing you want to do is get the bike back on level ground. Next thing you're going to want to do is loosen this up here. This is the oil fill plug. A little dipstick. Probably bigger than most of yours, so calm down. Then I got to look it up. I think it's a little bit over a quart. And always use the Honda good stuff. 4-stroke motorcycle oil, GN4. This stuff is pretty cheap, 30 bucks a gallon, but this is what keeps the Hondas going. You can try. Lean the bike back up to level. We got a dry dipstick. Just drop it in. Perfect. Now we got clean oil on there. Ready to rock. Tighten it back up. Ready to do some wheelies again. Right, nice and tight. Wipe it up. Job well done. Time to do some wheelies. All right, so I did take a look at how many quarts it takes. It takes 1.06, so just a hair over a quart. So one of these guys will give you 4 oil changes. Good deal. And always, thanks for watching. Appreciate you.